Lenge Kungamsa, Tarini Pegalo Nidon Gada Shibjushibdi, Rabne Chakji Le Penda Chuba Mindu Dave, Cheba Nishu Sumda, Chilo Nidon Yushile Dauchungi Betse Ge, Resa Mima Niki Sangyu Lerim Te Konsushugin, Tarinki Lerim Tina, Gana Shunki Konskam Chimbuchoki, Kui Yangsi Yunzi Nanjo de Teju Sheshin Yobar, Geji Godimina Kaji Ngongyo Shukche Nave Korta, Gana Shunki Tanu, Dukjong Yongshin Be Pemisone, Nihondo, Shivingamdun Tomgor Navicor. 태벤나 병오도기 댐된 갸베고 페미딕주 시리 레쿠네 베데 십지 바두기 댐베 슈미 임베고 제슈기힌 상규 게바카 샴라린 베시그로나 다우디 치지 시인 냠데 게조기 지니 워텐시 체베 게지 초바카단 델람체 고샤나베 어리 슝기 구접레 공기 고디wo 네유미나 카지기 타야규 변난기 최대 라마타 진노 콘스 겸견 침부초기 유베 베기난데인기 라두나베 양신 윤지 난초고 랭면나도 Dolling Lerim Tishin Yamte Gazoki Jini Wartenshi Chebe, Geji Tsopakatan Delam Che, Kosha Nabe, Ari Shunki Gutsab Andrew Bamberg Laki Zogyo Navata, Ledim to Ari Pede Mixi Tetu Bakusha Robert Destro, Ari Geji Chede Ramasungyo Henkanki Gutsab, Samuel Brownback, Tanashin Pemitic Zuki. Sikong Bumraba Losan Sengi Chota, Geji Pede Legu Kangi Tetu Genzi, Tenchu Gazola Che, Yamshu Na Yovre. Kapter Pante Sikong Choki, Mao Zedong ki Chu Tureje, Jue Yogan, Tade Ganar Mabu Sishun ki Pugunante, Ladu Yunzin Shugi, Zache Lamlute, Sheki Yondogi, Teju Cheshin Bani, Yazenshi Yimamase, Tada Ganar Shungi, Pugunante ki Ladu Nambe Yangsin Yunzin La, Teju Tan, Maumbar Chulu Shingi Udidan, Lajenka, Koshatan Demchote, Teju Cheki Reje, Nedatan.
Now, specifically on religious freedom, there's a larger implication. Now, it's not just Tibetans, In 2007, Communist Party of China issued a document number 5, which is the basis on which the reincarnation will be recognized at the district level, state level, and the national level. Now, based on which they went about doing it and recognized 300 to 800, now ultimately 1,300 reincarnated lamas in Tibet. Can you imagine? So when the Communist Party of China issues a certificate, you are a legitimate Lama. If you don't have that certificate, you are not a legitimate Lama. Now Mao Zedong, the Chinese leader himself, has said, religion is poison, right? And it should be discarded with. And they destroyed 98% of monasteries and nunneries in Tibet. They destroyed 99.9% of monks and nuns. Even today, our monasteries and nunneries are destroyed. And then, monks and nuns are forced to commit suicide. Now, monks and nuns, they take a vow to spend their life in the monastery. When that is destroyed, they are thrown out. And you can watch a YouTube video where nuns are forced to sing and dance on stage where Chinese officials are watching on pop songs. So that kind of humiliation is taking place in Tibet. Now with that, they say, well, we have the final authority to recognize reincarnated Lama, including the Dalai Lama. Now, so this is ridiculous, right? So this is simply unacceptable. And the whole world should realize that what they are trying to do, if you let Chinese government get away with recognizing reincarnation, they already have an agreement with the Vatican to recognize bishops. Next, it will be cardinal. Next, it could be even the Pope, right?
Tanashi Kushab Samuel Brownback Choki, Konskam Chimbu Choki, Yangsi Yunzi Nanchoki, Dawan Tishin, Pemi Kona Lake, and Shungla Meche, Ari Shungnashi, Geji Totekane, Pegi Chede Ramata, Shize Dromi, Topdan like Yabgurionwe, Pegi Yanadu.
The beautiful fabric that intertwines the Tibetan Buddhist faith with Tibetan language and culture is at risk every time the Communist Party obstructs Tibetans' ability to live their lives and follow their conscience as they choose. The future that the Dalai Lama envisions for Tibetans is in jeopardy, and the global Tibetan community needs our help. The U.S. government stands with Tibetan Buddhists so that they, like members of all faith communities, can select, educate, and venerate their religious leaders in accordance with their beliefs and without government interference. by anybody, including the Chinese Communist Party. We urge others to join us in supporting Tibetans' religious freedom and this fundamental human right.
당내시 아리페데 미세 드디바 구샵 로버트 데스로 초기강 야나 슝기 페미체데 라완 도르 슈체 동신 바 ngogyo 단타 아리 슝기 페난기 페미조르 교베 갸베 드룩숨난기 페미탄 시엔 사초 칸서르 네베 페미조르 튠규르 갸브교르 난규 듄바 슈체 예제 송도
When Secretary Pompeo appointed me to be the special coordinator for Tibetan issues, he did so out of not only a deep respect for Tibetans, their language, culture, and religion, but also out of a deep concern over the Chinese Communist Party's abuse of China's religious and ethnic minority populations. The United States is committed to helping Tibetans safeguard their way of life, not just in Tibet, but also in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and everywhere that it flourishes.
시엔 게지 페든 레규 칸기 텐주에 갸졸라기 콩남베 대달 페든도 투굴 체시에 나머 tuk제 제슈보다 콘스캠견 첨부초니 벽이 최다 릭슈 미리기 ngô 쳔기게 제송신 벽이 내된 세지에 겹겨 무드 난경교회 벽이 슈낭도
The Dalai Lama symbolizes Tibetan religion, culture, and identity. The institution of the Dalai Lama and the current 14th reincarnation in particular has been the lifeline of the Tibetan people. There is a strong historical bond that goes back 5 centuries between the Dalai Lama and the people of Tibet, which will be broken if we allow Chinese Communist authorities to dictate and impose their will on this sacred tradition concerning the search, confirmation, and installation of Tibetan religious leaders, including that of a future Dalai Lama. As a representative of International Campaign for Tibet, I call on all concerned to put the question of religious freedom and succession of His Holiness the Dalai Lama at the top of your human rights agenda in all your relationships with the People's Republic of China.
Nyetu resa pembengin Nihon gesa Tokyo nan domi topdan nime tudin sungzi shuwe chedu shiwe komtyo ngamtyon chomkorto pyuri mangzodan gyanagi chanyo wo dukjo nyangda nyongshinbe tsodeka legyu na nyamshu nangde gyanan shungi domi topdan la zime doryo tamso la ngokyo shukche nangdu legyu to Nihon kuzab tunjo ariya tsewan gebolagi gyanani geji domi topdan ki yongyab seda la mingda gyokin gegabji gi shidu pyodan sopo sha Turkistan Hong Kong Taiwan soki dromi topdan ta rawan la zime doryo dan zenyon cheshin yu gyana shungi pyonan yarge tangde pyoni layu tabu shik sugyu yin sheba teni tida zam yinbar gyana shungi nyamde gyazo ki tokshi batang chige ki kuzab tangna shin sarkyo baso pyonan chebeb ki nezu ngoma zejo chagyur kaudom chegi gyo baso sungdu Kapter sobo dan yukur kuzab nyoni kyang gyana shungi chanyo siju zincho kor tamshin nangdu shiwe kumtoy ki legyu to nyamshukba namki gegab susu gedar dan tedar so charde Nihon ki chongker asa kusa nang chomkor nangde gyana shungi pyo dan sokbo sha Turkistan Hong Kong che nang chanyo chamcho dan rawan larso gyobe kembyo na yobare Tengdi legyu na pyo rangze lobdu tsoba dan Nihon, sokbo, yukur, Hong Kong, Taiwan che ki tsoba ka nyamshuk nangdu Chino konsekyamgyon chenpo la nobe shide senda bishe zene longo sumchu sochi kwabatan tangna shin tengin dromi topdang nimoyang keki yoba keje tuzi nyinzomte sungzi shule Taiwan xuanzang zula lobta chemyo na tuyun dunta chikiring pyo ngotoyo ki demdun lerimshik shamdun na du. Demdun teshin dunta di res davengin unzu na watan unje zegoy kundun zogor lobji jendro rila chepep na du. Kapter Taiwan tunjo dawatsiring la ki jino konsekyamgyon chenpo ki tuki kongshi ka shile tangbo dromi jigyur tang nipa chulu tunte kor ngote sungshe na du. Tengdi demdun ki nangdun tso ni pyogi nangden tang zenjue pyomi dikzu ngote shenyang pyogi tumo moyin pe shetang tamin Kaddenjue ki chakbe Taiwan tunjo lekung ne dunbe konsekyamgyon chenpo ki kalop kyun tepten chöpke so demdun na yoba mase dunta chikring ki pyodun kor ki lonyen yang koti shu yobare Tengdi demdun teshin Taiwan pyogi kuzab tuyangang dan xuanzang zula lopta chime pyogi nang ten shibshu tene kang tedo pyori tsoba che ne zowo genkur ki koti nangshin shenyang tebe gyudu chozo tang Taiwan lapsum chueling purba nangbe choje tsonggang che ne rime to demdun na tungyur shukche na yobare do 젠저 페미 시림 시윤 시주기 공대신 라완타 셴베 균지 사르도제기 뉴바 케싱 용체투 시림 롭타카기 롭투 남기 제 랑리 나슈에 남기 롭종기 쇼데 규자 제마도 동레 페미 딕주 시리 레고네 로다르 페텝 카만 템베 체미 임버 딜루션 헨소 이산네 난토다 림바다밍기 페텝 십시 파드윈기 템베 슈다 슈미 임브레도 Tenyan chibe loze leshi gyuntu lechar kongsu ngalo chilo nyudon chugulor pyogyur chibe dungtep chu thang dilo pyogyur chibe dungtep chu nga thang nashi sarzom dungtep nga patun shu tu Shenyan payu chokti thang lingdung teprik chu cheri lekongki dikshu mayimbe nyamship chezom tepte ngipa pyomi ma chidu kempo kata ngudup sonam lagi zambe dilo taksumki tilen gyuntu chamdo ngawa pinzo lagi zambe chuo telbab lobchi supa tashi tundu lagi pyogyur nawe ke geltup cheba Sara tholopki lobye kongar ngangnam lagi pyogyur nawe lobsyo tawa thangnashi chulu la matembe sangjo korki tebrik sumche patin shutu petep nam zenjo pimi lobta yonggi penzo khanta jingkang so la godem nangmi yimbe lobtu che tha nyebe lobta khane petep teshin yarlenki rangkim tu talo ta pyeje tangchoki tu darin ki sangyu lerim tizam yin tiga pyogi ngin tine gyangsin shube lerim kha cha za shamki thazi to sikyu yebe tedön kongchan naruna